Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk again about TradingView and how this platform can make your life easier. A week ago I have created this watch list to check cash and carry gaps, premiums for different exchanges and different currencies. As you can see, I currently have added Binance, June and September contracts, Kraken, May and June contracts in September as well, FTX June contract, FTX September, FTX December, Deribit June and September, and Deribit December, OKEX weekly and OKEX bi-weekly. So this is really interesting. I'm looking forward to make a video about OKEX platform and about these weekly and bi-weekly contracts. Currently, I'm just waiting till the spread will be higher than it is now. Also, there will be OKEX June and OKEX September contracts, Huobi June and Huobi September, and BitMEX June and September. Trade list. So I have decided that I will make a tutorial about how you can make your own watch list, how you can make your own formulas for any cash and carry trade. And you can find this tutorial on microtreasury.com/gap. So here you'll find basics about TradingView and how to create your own formulas and how to make a watch list. And it took me about half day to create everything. And we had a voting poll, a Telegram chat, and people have decided that they also want a paid version of it. So what I have decided that this watch list could be downloaded on my Contribui account like a bonus if you support me. So it will cost you €2 a month, and for that you will get 150 formulas. So if you have premium account, you could just import a list here, a txt file. If you do not have premium account of TradingView, I recommend to get a free trial so you can import a list. But if your TradingView free trial has already expired, I had made an article which you can see when you become a member for €2, how to do it manually, how to add all these formulas to this watch list. Also, becoming a member for €2 a month, you will get bi-weekly updates. So every 2 weeks I will update this list. As you can see, we currently have a Kraken May contract, which will end today. So I will make changes tomorrow and will upload a new list so everyone can download it. So thank you for watching. Go ahead if you would like to know more about how to create your own formulas and how to create this list on TradingView to microtreasury.com/gap. Also, I will be really honored if you become a subscriber and contribute any amount you wish. If you have not joined yet our Telegram group, please do it. Past few days we really having a great discussion where we discussed new strategies to add to our cash and carry portfolios.